Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I've come up with a big information, a big off-campus hiring from Accenture. Now this is for the role of System and Application Services Associate. So I'll tell you the job description. First, regarding the salary, they have not actually mentioned anything, but usually it is like 2.5 to 2.75. Okay, so in that range you can expect the entry level salary for this role. And important dates, again they have not mentioned anything, but so those who are eligible and willing apply immediately. So other dates also have not been mentioned. So right now it is open. You can apply for this. Now coming to the educational qualification, so BSc, BCA, BA, BCom and BBA, all streams branches are eligible in these degrees. Percentage criteria, they have not mentioned anything. As far as arrears, there should not be any active backlog, and there can be a maximum of only 1 year gap in education, and year of passing 2020 and 2021 only these two batches are eligible. And coming to the other criteria, so they have said that the candidate should have the ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility, versatile with aptitude to learn and apply new skills faster, good analytical and problem solving skills, and proficient in verbal communication skills. And also they have said that the candidates who have appeared for the Accenture recruitment assessment or the interview process in the last 3 months should not appear. Candidates must be eligible to work in India either by citizenship or have relevant work permit documents. Now coming to the selection process, there are 3 rounds here. The first round is when coming to the in assessment, there are 3 rounds. Okay, so first assessment is cognitive assessment, 50 minutes, 50 questions. Okay, the questions will be on verbal ability, critical thinking and problem solving, and abstract reasoning. Then in next 5 to 10 minutes, okay, you can wait for the results. Then those who so technical assessment will commence immediately post result notification. Technical assessment is optional and is not an elimination round, but though it is not an elimination round, but the scores of the technical assessment will be factored into the overall selection process score, which will determine the final selection. Okay, so technical assessment will happen for 40 minutes. So here you will be tested on common application and MS Office, pseudocode, fundamentals of networking security, fundamentals of cloud. And assessment 3 will be the communication assessment. That will be for approximately 30 minutes. Now this will happen like separately. So you will receive a separate email with timelines and login details to participate in this assessment. Okay, so communication assessment will assess you on the below mentioned parameters like sentence mastery, vocabulary, fluency and pronunciation. Now, so there might be, so they have not actually explicitly mentioned anything about the interview. So after the assessment, okay, so finally there may be an interview or a kind of a confirmation round. So job description, so they have given like 4 major areas. The first area is app and cloud engineering. Okay, so here they have said identify and solve issues within applications and infrastructure, drive resolution of functional, technical and infrastructural issue for clients, guide clients with a variety of expertise in overcoming technological challenges, focus on driving automation, self-service and evolving cloud infrastructure environments, manage and then the next areas like project control services, so where they have said manage multiple stakeholders to align priorities and direction, enable program management and increase overall quality of technological delivery, support projects in the technological delivery centers by tracking and managing project management officers activities, proactively monitor, manage, report on execution of deliverables and solve issues. Then low or no code app development, develop applications using a low code development platform, setting up and configuring systems for each client's unique requirements, work with 3 key elements: form builders, pre-built templates, drag and drop visual interface, entity builder, research and analyze internal business process with the scope of optimizing and automating them. Then the last one is like test automation engineering, creation of test designs, test process, test cases and test data, applied business and functional knowledge including testing standards, guidelines and testing methodology to meet the team's overall test objectives, responsible for designing testing scenarios for usability testing, prepare all reports related to software testing and software testing carried out, analyze the results and then submit the observations to the development team. Now that's a job description. So how to apply? The link to apply is given in the description below. After watching the video, you can click on that link. Now, so in this they ask your name, date of birth, gender, email ID, mobile number, university registration number, current location, etc. And then you have to share your education details like your graduation, 10th, 12th and all that. Then professional details, skills details, certification details, language certification, and then they also ask you for 3 preferred job locations. This is a pan India hiring, so there are about 7 locations, okay, which I'll tell you what are those locations, and then other details. And also you have to upload your resume, your passport size photograph, college ID card and government ID card. So government ID card is usually PAN card. If you don't have a PAN card, you can apply it online and get it in 2 or 3 days. So using the e-card you can apply. Then they have also given the conditions, the system requirements for the proctored assessments as well as the interview. So mobile phones are not permitted. Only laptops or desktop with webcam can be used. Okay, so browser, Google Chrome browser, and operating system Windows 8 or Windows 10. And so RAM requirements they have given. Internet stable 2 Mbps and network VPN proxy should be disabled. A preferred job location: Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Pune, Mumbai and Gurugram. Now if you have any questions, please post your questions in the comment section below. We'll be very happy to answer your questions. And if you found this video useful, click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.